to Rob's Reviews and Demos. Susan's here with me today.
Hi everyone.
Say hi to Sue. Today we're working on the Phillips Hue entertainment lighting for the back of the TV.
Beautifully packaged.
Yes, this is the Phillips Hue Play, and that's important that you know that. If you don't get the Phillips Hue Play, it's not going to work with your entertainment center. Because they have Phillips Hue, they have all different kinds of lighting, but it has to be Hue Play to work with the entertainment system. So this is the strip lighting for the back of the TV. To use it, you also have to have the bridge and the sync box. The system is very expensive. It is also very accurate when lighting for movies and stuff. So yeah, it's really expensive. Just this strip lighting for a 65-inch TV is $270. The sync box itself is about $200, and the bridge is cheap. You can get that with lighting for about $115 on Amazon. So yeah, the system is very expensive. So I have the strip lighting for the back of the TV. That just came. I also got these table lamps, which are very nice. I actually used these already on the TV, and they're pretty awesome. For the lighting to work the way you want it to, which is to have LEDs with different lights on them, different colors on them, you have to get the gradient lights. They have some lighting that doesn't say gradient on it, and what that'll be is all the same color lights coming out of that piece. I'm trying to think. I have another package around here somewhere. This is one of them. So these are going to go under the couch or under the entertainment center. I'm not sure which yet. So these, you can get these lights right here with the bridge for like $115 on Amazon. So these lights, the LEDs are all the same color when it's flashing or whatever. So it doesn't say gradient on it. It says color and it says Hue Play, but it doesn't say gradient lighting. For the lights to be different colors like this strip, it has to say gradient on it. So yeah, it's a very expensive system, but it's very, very accurate, with movies. In the app, which I'll show you guys, at some point I'll show you how to set up the app. When you add lighting, the app actually gives you a picture of your room with the TV, and you move the lighting around to the exact position in the room in the little drawing, and you set how high they are and the location of where they are, and the Philips system will use that to match up the media that you're watching properly. So if there's lightning flashing, the high backlights will flash too. If there's an explosion like on the ground, maybe you'll have orange lighting on the ground. So it's a very accurate system, and it's absolutely beautiful. And there's a lot of options in the app, which we'll get into. So like I said, this video here is just going to be the installation of the strip lights. I've already opened this, and I just put the mount up for the TV. And I have a little issue. I have a little issue with Philips. I'm a little pissed off at them. For what these lights cost, you would think they would give you a cord that's longer than 4 or 5 feet long. This cord, literally, I think is 5 feet long. This is the end that's going to plug into the strip, and then the other end down low there. See if we can get down that low. The other end down there, you can see it's only hanging out like a foot out of the box there. So I'm going to either have to get an extension, or hopefully there's an extension on the strip of lights itself to help me reach. So come on, Philips. For $270 freaking, give us a little bit of freaking wire with the thing, would you? Other than that, I don't have any complaints yet. We'll see how it goes. So just so you know, what I like to do whenever I'm attaching anything with sticky tape, I always wipe down the object with alcohol. Get a little cotton ball, get some alcohol, and wipe it down where you're going to attach the sticky lights, because if it's dusty or greasy or dirty, the glue's not going to work well. So that's a great tip. Wipe it down with some alcohol first. Alcohol won't hurt anything, and it evaporates very quickly. So with that said, let's get the show on the road. All right, y'all. So in the box here for the lights is the roll of lighting, which looks pretty short. And then you also have these clip things for lights. I thought there was some quarter bends as well. Okay. I'm not sure. Oh, here they are. So yeah, they give you like quarter bends, or these are actually eighth bends, to make sure that the curve of your lighting is not too much, so you don't break the lighting. They give you these little brackets to stick on the back of your TV. So I'll also alcohol wipe down where that's going to stick. So they give you all that, and this is, I guess that's the little extension for the lighting. And what else do we got here? Looks like that's it. So the lighting is going to go here, and then that other cord that's in the wall, I guess, plugs in here. So it looks like I have a total of 14 inches of wire from the wall to the lights. I don't think it's going to be enough, so I'm probably going to need to buy an extension from Phillips to extend the plug at the bottom, which is kind of bullshit as far as I'm concerned. But for $270, they should give you 10 feet of freaking cord. So come on, Phillips, get with the program or lower your prices. All right, so I'm going to stick all this to the TV. I won't bring you guys back until, well, I'll show you what I did on the back of the TV, and then I probably won't bring it back until I actually add the lights to the app and get them running and stuff. Then I'll bring you guys back in. All right, y'all. So I opened up the instructions for the lighting here, and I found another problem that I've been experiencing with Philips. I think a bunch of mutes work there, or people that can't read or write, because all of their freaking instructions are just pictures. It doesn't actually say anything. So, you know, you have this first picture, something Hue, and then two dudes holding the TV, another dude holding the TV, and then another dude, I guess he's wiping the TV down, like I said. And then the next instructions, every one of them has an exclamation point, and I don't know what they're trying to tell me here. Like, what is this? What are they trying to say? I mean, I just don't get it. And then there's like another one. 1, 2, and then there's these circles. And I just don't understand what they're trying to say. It's total garbage. And then the last one is the same thing. There's like 5 where the wires are not in the thing, and then 6 where the wires are in the thing, and then 7, I guess you add the little box, and then 8, it's a dude holding the TV again. Where's his partner at? So anyway, the instructions are just freaking god awful. Phillips, for what you're charging for this stuff, you have to do better. I don't know if nobody speaks English over there, but Google Translate works great. Do something. I'm going to be sending a little feedback to Phillips, because this is ridiculous. So, I mean, I basically know what I got to do here. I can figure it out. But, you know, for somebody that's not super familiar with all this stuff, this could be a real struggle, real pain in the neck. So yeah, this is another problem I found. Crappy ass instructions with the Phillips Hue stuff. So, yeah. So far we have 2, you know, not huge issues, but they're issues nevertheless. And for this kind of money, there should be no issues. All right, y'all. So the lighting is installed. I'll move the tripod over here. So you can see the strip. The strip does not have sticky stuff on it. It's not a sticky back on the strip. So just the brackets stick to the TV, and then the lights kind of clip into the brackets. Took a couple tries to get it centered properly, but no big deal. And then there's the box to connect to right there. So it took me about, I don't know, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, something like that to do it. Real quick job. But I could tell just by looking at it that power cord is going to be an issue. So I'm going to have to probably put an extension cord for now, and then get an extension from Phillips to extend the bottom of the cable there. So that's where we're at. I'll be back when we add them to the app and get them turned on. Okay, everybody. So we have the radiant strip installed on the back of the TV. I also moved the table lamps to behind the speakers, and I have a radiant tube underneath the entertainment center. I have my bar lights, but I don't have them set up yet. They're going to be set up actually behind where I'm standing, so you won't see those anyway. But I just wanted to give a quick demo of what the lights look like with a movie, and and my thoughts on it. Which I just think the system's awesome. There's a lot of options. You'll see that in the next video where I demonstrate how to use the app. There's a lot of options, a lot of things you can do with the lights. Basically, I'm just using the Hue Play stuff. I haven't really got into the household stuff yet, but I'm very happy with the system. Other than the few little minor things like the short cord and the bad instructions, otherwise everything has been great. Okay, just so y'all are aware, I do have a new stereo system as well. I got the same receiver, but I picked up some Bowers and Wilkins speakers, and I'm running two subs now. I got the REL and the SVS running, and I got to tell you what, I will be showing you all this stuff down the road, but it is awesome. So let's go ahead and demo the lights real quick. All right, so I think that pretty much gives you an idea of what it looks like. I don't want to run it too long because I don't want to get hit on a copyright thing. So, but yeah, I'm super happy with the system. Like I said, it is very, very expensive, but it does do quite a few things, and I can control up to 50 lights with one single bridge. Uh, um, so that's pretty good, or 50 items, I guess. Regular lights in the house. You got all kinds of options on the system. Stay tuned for the next video. You'll see a lot of that. And again, thanks for watching, you guys. If you all have any questions, hit me up in the comments. As always, I'll get back to you as quick as I can. And I'll see you next time. Cheers.